modus operandi of these gangs have changed now. पयलीं कितें आशिल्लें की whenever families are vacating houses or going to some native place or खंय तरी काजाराक वयताले वा खंय घर लॉक करून वयताले तेन्ना ते येताले भितर आनी सगळे तुजे हें करून वस्तून सगळे सोदून काडटाले आनी भितर सगळे डॅमेज करताले आनी दे यूज्ड टू रॉब एंड गो. नाव they have found a different method. Modus operandi has changed now. What they do now is they come to your flat when you are there present, and then they tell you and harass you and torture you, brutalize you and tell you तू हाड. सो तूं खंय तरी लिपोवन दवरले, खंय तरी कबडान दवर और एक फेक हें करून दवर भितरल्यान खंय तरी तूं when you are tortured you are definitely going to get it. Like for example take the case of Ganeshpuri. Ganeshpuri म्हापसा ते आयले आनी तेणी सगळें मागून घेतलें तांकां तो मातसो तेणी गॅग केलें कितें मातशें हें केलें टॉर्चर केलें. फायनली आफ्टर एवरीथींग वॉज डन दे टोल्ड द ओल्ड लेडी आनीकूय आसा पयशे भितर ते हाड. So that means they have done a recce, they have studied the whole thing, you know, they do a proper study now.
Yeah.
And they know, तूं म्हणटा आतां समज 5 लाख हाडले म्हणून I don't think they will be convinced that you are only holding 5 lakhs. So तूं अशें जावंक शकता going by your logic, तूं बेश्टो सुकुमार देवन खावपाक शकता मागीर.
Not my logic. That small time politicians' logic.
So बेश्टो तूं मार.
My logic is police should arrest them, which is not happening.
No, and secondly, what happens, Pramod, is now इतलो तेंचे डेरिंग आयला की पळय गणेशपुरी आयले पळय आनी आतां बायणा. They have targeted the 6th floor flat. That means you are going all the way up to the 6th floor to rob a flat. Knowing well that खंय तरी तूं चुकलो, you will be trapped. You cannot jump from the 6th floor down, you will be dead.